I mean, I love overhead. I use overhead in the fields. I even use overhead inside. But drip is required for tomatoes and a few other crops when you don't want to get them wet or you're worried about humidity, things like that. So, but what I use is I use heavy gauge drip because I don't use it everywhere. Like in the field, you know, you get it for pennies a foot for that really paper stuff, but you know, it breaks and everything. So I don't use it in the field, but inside here is nice heavy stuff. And so at Neversink Tools, that's what they sell. It's all curated, so it's the really good, heavy quality drip that can last season after season after season. Okay, now it's really easy to put together a drip system. These are 40-inch beds, so I have 4 rows of drip. But on a 30-inch, I'll put 3 rows of drip. And then there's just the main line, which is poly main line. And you just need elbow fittings or T-fittings, depending on your layout. And a timer. And this is a Pro timer. It's the only one we use at the farm. Works really, really well. It's the one they sell at Neversink Tools. You know, it's got a Pro valve. That's what really makes it great. And it's battery operated. So it just goes from timer, straight to main line, drip, and that's it. Couldn't be simpler. But what I wanted to show you is, you know, I hate punches. But what you can do to put in this drip is just use a drill bit, okay? Just a 1/8 inch. Then you don't have to use a punch, and it makes a much cleaner hole. And then you can just, boom, hear that snap? That's nice, right? Ooh, yeah. But that makes a really good fit that's not gonna leak. It's gonna last for a long time. Really, really easy. And one other thing you can do is, you know, you don't want to put a lot of pressure when you're making that hole. You can put some electrical tape around it so that you only go in like 1/4 inch, and then you won't pop through the other side if you're worried about that. Just wrap it around there and it'll be fine. You don't have to worry. Also, I'll show you at the end of the row. What you want to do is just cut off a little piece of drip tape, okay? And then just fold the ends over, fold it again, and then slide one on. This is like maybe 1.5 inches. Slide it all the way on, just like that, and you have a great end. You don't have to buy any of the fancy ends or anything. This actually works better, and it's less stuff to purchase. Thanks for watching. Until next time.